Analytical and precision balances are crucial in any laboratory, yet it's not exactly easy to ensure you're always getting the most accurate results. So today, we're going to briefly discuss the top 5 challenges that come with lab weighing and how a little extra prep and extra attention can help you overcome them. Number 1, air drafts. Unless you're working in a completely airless room, air is a constant and nagging challenge in a laboratory. Wind from an open window, the air conditioning, even breeze from someone walking by can all cause weight readings to drift or jump unexpectedly. Air not only tries to get underneath the weighing pan to bolster it up, it also adds force to your samples and makes them register as artificially heavy. Air drafts are such a prevalent issue that many precision balances feature built-in draft shields to protect against it. This is why you need to ensure that your draft shields are completely closed during lab weighing, and if you can help it, the balance is placed in a location less prone to wind. Number 2, vibrations. Vibrations are also surprisingly constant. It might be construction down the street, booming music, walking or running nearby can cause vibrations. We get used to it, but your balance can't. Fortunately, we offer an accessory designed to mitigate the risk of vibrations, the AVT, anti-vibration table. The AVT is a double frame table, the center frame of which supports a 100-pound granite block. When balances are placed on the granite block, they're more grounded and less susceptible to vibrations. Number 3, temperature changes. Have you ever noticed that your weight readings seem less accurate after you've moved your balance to a different location? That might be because of the temperature difference. You can't bring your balance from a toasty 72-degree room to one that's a cool 54-degree room and expect it to get accurate results right away. All highly precise laboratory balances need to acclimate to a new environment before they're used. Ideally, we recommend at least 12 hours. Number 4, static electricity. If the humidity in your laboratory is below 40%, static electricity is more likely to form. You can cause static by dragging metal, powder, or fabric samples across the metal weighing pan when you're setting them down or taking them away. To help prevent this, always set and lift samples straight up and down. Some samples can be pre-charged with static before they even touch the balance. For cases like this, we recommend the Atom Equipment Ionizer, which neutralizes static electricity. All you have to do is turn it on and face it toward the balance. It'll neutralize static in your samples and any that has built up in the weighing chamber. Number 5, wrong balance. Sometimes, if you're unsatisfied with your laboratory balance, the solution can be simply to invest in a more suitable machine for your lab. For example, our line of Atom Equipment Highland portable precision balances are highly precise and accurate. Some come with small removable draft shield and extra protection against shock loading and drops. It's a simple and effective machine, but you may be at a point where you need something more advanced. Our Atom Equipment Polaris precision balances can provide you with the same or better readabilities along with other benefits that are helpful for any laboratory. For example, a large built-in draft shield for more guaranteed protection with any size sample. The Polaris also boasts an expansive color-changing display so you can see more info all at once, as well as the ability to store ingredients in its internal memory. Both the Highland and the Polaris PPB are precision balances, but one may be better suited for your lab than the other. So much of your environment is out of your control that it can be especially frustrating when it begins to impact your lab weighing. If you notice your results drifting, jumping, or taking longer to stabilize, consider what some of the factors could be. The good news is, at Central Carolina Scale, we offer solutions to most of these issues. For more information on laboratory weighing options, be sure to visit centralcarolinascale.com. Thanks for watching.